Yellow, dali, get the yellow ball first. I want you to get the yellow one, ha? Choose the yellow ball. Choose the yellow ball. Ay, wag ganyan. Ay, ako po naman, baka tumaob. Anak, dito, ilagay natin sa flat. O, kuha ka yellow ball. Dali, abot sa mama. Yellow, that's not yellow. Yellow, where's the color yellow? Yellow. Give it to mommy. Give it to mommy. Yellow. Very good. Thank you. Yes, that's color yellow. What color is that? Yellow. Oh, where's your neck, baby? Where's your neck? Ay, that's your nose. Your neck. Where's your neck? Your neck. Where's your neck? Very good. That's your neck, baby. Good job. Where's your teeth? Where's your teeth? Very good. That's your teeth. Oh, my baby, so galing. And then where's your eyes? Where's your eyes? Very good. Wag tusukin, wag tusukin. Hair. Where's your hair? Hair. Very good. That's my baby's hair kasi. Ay, yung ears mo. Where's your ears? Ears. Ay, it's okay. It's okay. Give me the yellow ball. Kasi naman uneven tong pool niya eh. Dapat nandito lang to eh. Baby, get pa ng yellow ball. Okay, yellow ball. I want a yellow ball, ha? Very good ang lalabs ko. You get grapes. Dali. Kunin mo na yung grapes sa ref. Ay, pero totoo yan. Wala. No more grapes na nga eh. Mamaya ko siya bibilan. Titingnan ko lang kung saan siya pupunta. Naku, nagmamadali. Anak, saan punta?
Hindi siya nakakapunta dyan ng walang...
Naku. Nanak, no more grapes na pala. Pero hindi bale. Bibili ako mamaya. Yogurt na lang. Get yogurt na lang. Yogurt. Yan. Do you wanna eat yogurt?
May nabuksan pa siya dyan kahapon.
Ay, sorry baby ha. No more grapes na. Pero promise, mamaya pag nagising ako, bibilang kita ng marami sa SM. Sorry. Alika na. No more grapes na pala eh. Close the ref na. Babe. Close the ref na. Baby, close the ref na. Do not open that. Are you gonna eat it? Lalabs. Dali, dito naman tayo.
Close na, close.
Close the ref. Pakisarado yung ref. Close it first. Baby, close mo muna yung ref.
Slowly.
Slowly lang, slowly. Close the ref. Dahan-dahan lang, slowly. Slowly. Let's go na, dahan-dahan. Ang lakas pa din. Come na. Dahan-dahan lang. Halika na. Ay, no more na nga eh. Ay, ate, Uta, gusto yata niya yung yogurt. Halika na dito. Helper ko to. Nauutusan na yan, Daddy. Very good! Of course, you're very good. Ang init. Pakibuksan naman yung electric fan, Cloud. Paki-on naman yung electric fan. Mainit kasi. Thank you. Thank you so much. Isa lang i-press mo. One. Ay, hindi naman nabuksan eh. Ang init-init tuloy. I-press mo. Para namang bago ng bago. Now, nakasaksak siya. It's plugged. It's plugged in, baby. Ay, ang dami na kasi inuutos. Ay, hindi na lalabs. Pabukas na lang. Pabukas na lang. Sige na. Napikon na. Sabi niya, ang dami mong inuutos sa akin, mami.